Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For today's video, I have a very exciting stationery haul from the Washi Tape Shop. I will be showing brief glimpses of everything as I unbox them, and I will also be doing all the swatches later so that you can get a closer look at everything. I will also share my impressions and reviews on these, so make sure to watch till the end. Don't forget to check the description for the links to everything shown in the video, along with a discount code if you shop at the Washi Tape Shop. And I will be back after the ASMR unboxing part of this video. Now that we have unboxed everything, let's start with the swatches. This first set is called the Van Gogh set and it comes with 6 different designs. I swatched them in a Polaroid style because all of these are so intricate and beautiful. I thought that they deserved a frame, and all of these have some gold foiling on them, and I love how it adds that little extra detail to these designs. I also wrote some words that came to mind when I looked at the designs to each of the Polaroid frames, and I love all of the washi tapes that comes in this Van Gogh set. Next, I decided to swatch all the vintage style washi tapes in one page. I even cut out some of the washi tapes so that they can be used as stickers and just made a huge collage using everything. I especially love making vintage spreads on my art journal, so I cannot wait to use all of these.